Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's a rainy day. July has arrived, and I'm so happy. Can you see those black clouds? Oh, I really love them. I ordered two books, and this one is recommended by my friend. It smells nice. I will show you my little curtain out there in the balcony. See this one, the curry leaves. I really don't know why these leaves are turning brown. Did I overwater it? And this one, a new plant. My spider plant, and this little cactus plant was given by my friend. And when I planted it, it was this much small. Now it has grown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. This is the money plant. Thank God it's surviving. Here there is so much hard water, that's why the glass is turning white. I have to clean all the time, but still the stain don't go away. And this one is turtle vine. Hope when it will be like bushy type plant. Actually this one I planted it in my hostel, and when I left my hostel I bought this. This is feel soft. I don't know the name. It's good. And this one, purple one, you can see I have painted it. So you can see I have boiled all these veggies. Actually my elder sister boiled this, so I am now going to make fried rice. Let's see, check it if it's cooked or not. Let's make fried rice, simple one. Chon chon. बहुत इच्छा लाग्छ बेला बेला
ନା ପକାବୁ ପକାଉଛୁ ହଁ ଦେଖିଲି ନା ଜିରା ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ଆସୁଛି ଗୋଲମରିଚ କରିଛି ତୁ क्या ନା ନା ଆଉ ତ हाई फ्लेम रे कर हटा सीझी ऑलरेडी ना ते ताके टिके करबू ये हाई फ्लेम रे कर दे जब 800 लगे दे देख ऐसे पानी ले
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Take care.